Hello everyone, very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about ABG analysis, that is arterial blood gas analysis. As the name is suggesting that we are performing analysis of the blood gases that are present into our arterial circulation. So, the mainly gases that are present into our blood circulation, these are the oxygen and carbon dioxide. But when we are discussing about arterial blood gas analysis, we have to keep 4 parameters into the mind. The first parameter is pH of blood. Second is partial pressure of oxygen. Third is partial pressure of carbon dioxide. And fourth is bicarbonate ion. So, the normal values for pH of blood is 7.35 to 7.45. The normal value for PO2 is 80 to 100, that is partial pressure of oxygen, 80 to 100 mm of Hg. PCO2 is 35 to 45 mm of Hg and HCO3 is 22 to 28. So, these are the normal values. Now, we will see what is the meaning of pH, what it indicates. pH is power of hydrogen ion. It will tell whether the person is having acidosis or alkalosis. The normal pH is 7.35 to 7.45. That is indicating that blood is slightly alkaline in nature. The acidosis, when a person will be having, the pH is decreased, that is less than 7.35. Alkalosis means that the pH is increasing, it will be more than 7.45. So, with the pH of the blood, we will identify whether the person is having acidosis or alkalosis. If pH decrease, acidosis, pH increase, alkalosis. Second thing is PO2 and PCO2. The normal value PO2 earlier told 80 to 100 and PCO2 is 35 to 45. These are the normal values. These gases, they are helpful in the respiration. So that's why if there is any changes or alteration into the PO2 and PCO2 values, the person will be showing signs and symptoms of either dyspnea or hyperventilation or breathing difficulty, the person will be showing. So that's why to analyze what condition that the person is having, we will do the analysis of the arterial blood gases. So these gases, they are helpful in the respiration. So they are telling whether the person is having respiratory acidosis or respiratory alkalosis. So as already I told you that acidosis is pH is decreased. But when we are talking about respiratory acidosis, pH is decreased, PCO2 is increased. While PCO2 is increased, PO2 is also decreased. In respiratory alkalosis, pH is increased, PCO2 is decreased and PO2 is also increased. So, we can able to identify with the help of ABG analysis whether the person is having respiratory acidosis or alkalosis. But the bicarbonate ion, it will be normal in both. Now, we will see the fourth parameter, that is bicarbonate ion. Normal value is 20 to 28. These bicarbonate ion help in metabolism. That's why from these changes we will identify whether the person is having metabolic acidosis or metabolic alkalosis. If in acidosis the pH is decreased and the bicarbonate ion is also decreased, the PO2 and PCO2 values, they will be normal. That is showing that the person is having metabolic acidosis. In metabolic alkalosis, pH is increased, bicarbonate ion is also increased and PO2, PCO2 values, they are normal. That is showing that the person is having metabolic alkalosis. Now, you can able to see that in respiratory, the pH is decreased and the PCO2 is increased. That means they both are going opposite. So we will denote these ABG values or parameters with the help of a mnemonics that we will call as ROM. R is respiratory, O is opposite, M is metabolic, E is equal. That means in respiratory, pH and PCO2 values, they are opposite to each other, while in metabolic, pH and HCO3 ion, they will go either, they are directly proportional to each other. So we will form a table. So these are the interpretation, that is ROM, that is in respiratory, the pH and PCO2, they are opposite to each other. While in metabolic, the pH and the bicarbonate ion, they are equal to each other. That means they are directly proportional to each other. So coming to the point that in the competitive exams, they are asking the question, for example, pH of blood is 7.48. The PO2 value is 95. The PCO2 value is 38 and the bicarbonate ion is 32. Identify whether the person is having respiratory acidosis, metabolic acidosis or alkalosis. So how you will identify? First you will see that the pH is showing that the pH is alkaline in nature. That means person is having alkalosis. PO2 value is normal. PCO2 value, it is also coming in the normal range. But the bicarbonate ion, it is increased. So that is showing that the person is having metabolic alkalosis. So this type of question they are asked into the competitive exam. One question for you, you can answer in the comment box. This is the question for you, that the pH is 5.4, PCO2 is 62, PO2 is 72, HCO3 is 24. So do the ABG interpretation whether the person is having respiratory or metabolic acidosis or alkalosis. Thank you class. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.